Welcome to the world of animated education, where creativity meets technology to bring learning to life. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Videogen AI, a powerful tool designed to help educators and students create engaging, animated videos with ease. Whether you're a teacher looking to spice up your lessons, a student working on a project, or simply someone interested in making learning more fun, Videogen AI makes the process simple and enjoyable. Imagine sitting at your desk, the soft glow of your computer screen illuminating a blank canvas of possibilities. On the screen, the Videogen AI interface welcomes you with its clean, user-friendly design. At the heart of the platform, you'll find a prompt box ready to capture your ideas. This is where your journey begins. Let's take it step by step. Step 1. Enter your idea. Think about the educational topic you want to explore. Is it the solar system, fractions, perhaps the life cycle of a butterfly? Type your prompt into the box. Let's say, show how the water cycle works for elementary students. The beauty of Videogen AI is that it understands natural language, so you don't need to worry about complicated instructions. Just express your idea clearly, and the AI does the rest. Step 2. Choose your animation style. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to set the tone. Videogen AI offers a variety of animation styles, but for educational content aimed at students, the cartoon style is a perfect fit. With just a click, you select the cartoon option, ensuring your video will be vibrant, friendly, and accessible. Next, you move to the color palette. Bright colors are ideal for capturing attention and making concepts easy to distinguish. You select a palette filled with cheerful blues, greens, yellows, and pinks, colors that pop and invite curiosity. Step 3. Generate your video. Now for the exciting part. You review your choices, the topic, the cartoon style, the bright colors. Satisfied, you click the Generate button. Instantly, Videogen AI begins transforming your prompt into an animated video. Within moments, scenes spring to life, each one crafted to visualize your educational theme in a way that's both informative and delightful. Let's take a closer look at the kinds of scenes Videogen AI can create for your educational videos. The first example is a cheerful classroom. Sunshine streams through the windows, casting a warm glow on a group of happy students seated at colorful desks. The room is lively but inviting, with posters on the walls and books neatly stacked on shelves. At the front, a teacher stands beside a digital board, ready to explain today's lesson. The teacher's animated gestures and friendly smile set a positive tone, and the digital board displays key concepts and illustrations that help students understand the topic. The next scene shifts to a close-up of books gently opening. Pages turn smoothly, revealing diagrams, vocabulary words, and fun facts related to your subject. Bright highlights illuminate important points, helping viewers focus on what matters most. These animated books symbolize discovery and the joy of learning, encouraging students to dive deeper into the material. As the lesson progresses, light bulb icons appear above students' heads, representing moments of insight and understanding. Each light bulb flickers on with a gentle glow, celebrating those aha moments when a concept clicks and knowledge is gained. This visual metaphor reinforces the idea that learning is a journey full of discovery and inspiration. Throughout each scene, smooth text overlays guide viewers through the process, making the tutorial easy to follow. Step 1. Enter your idea appears in bold, friendly lettering, encouraging users to start with their own educational topics. As you move forward, Step 2. Choose animation style pops up, highlighting the importance of customizing your video to suit your audience. Finally, Step 3. Generate your video floats gracefully onto the screen, marking the moment when your creative vision becomes reality. Videogen AI doesn't just make videos, it empowers you to bring lessons to life. The interface is designed for ease of use. Even if you've never made an animated video before, you'll find the process intuitive and straightforward. There's no need for advanced technical skills or expensive software. Everything happens within the browser, keeping the focus on your ideas and educational goals. The flexibility of Videogen AI means you can tailor your videos to any subject or grade level. For younger students, bright colors and playful characters help make learning approachable. For older students, more detailed illustrations and dynamic animations can deepen understanding and spark discussion. Whether you're explaining math, science, history, or language arts, Videogen AI adapts to your needs. Let's imagine another example, a science lesson about the water cycle. You prompt Videogen AI with, "Create an animated video explaining evaporation, condensation, and precipitation." The generated animation begins with a sunny landscape, where water from a shimmering pond begins to rise as gentle vapor. Clouds form in the sky, growing fluffy and white as condensation occurs. Then raindrops fall, landing on hills and rivers in a colorful, animated sequence. Each process is labeled with smooth text overlays, helping students visualize and remember each stage of the cycle. Or perhaps you're teaching a math lesson. You type, "Show how to add fractions using pictures." Videogen AI responds with animated pies and bars, dividing them into bright segments. Students see fractions combined visually, making abstract math concepts concrete and easy to grasp. Throughout every scene, Videogen AI maintains a clean, distraction-free background, ensuring viewers stay focused on the content. The animations are smooth, the transitions seamless, and the overall mood is upbeat and inviting. There's no violence, no horror, and nothing dark. Just pure educational energy designed to inspire and engage. As your video comes to a close, Videogen AI offers a final encouraging message. Try Videogen AI today, link below. This simple call to action invites viewers to take the next step, empowering them to create their own animated educational videos. Whether you're an educator, student, or lifelong learner, Videogen AI opens the door to a new world of possibility. Making animated educational videos has never been easier. With Videogen AI, you can transform ideas into engaging lessons, visualize complex concepts, and make learning a joyful experience for everyone. So why wait? Bring your lessons to life, spark curiosity, and inspire the next generation of learners, one animated video at a time. Try Videogen AI today and discover how creativity and technology can work together to make education more dynamic, accessible, and fun.